If I were starting Spring Boot from scratch in 2026, I would delete my entire initial project history. Technical screenings now explicitly target the gaps left by traditional tutorials, as hiring managers look for developers who can navigate the modular architecture introduced in Spring Boot 4. A roadmap from 2023 focuses on monolithic configurations that modern production environments are moving away from. Relying on those older methods makes it difficult to answer the specific architectural questions asked in current interviews. Getting hired today requires bypassing those superficial layers and rebuilding your backend knowledge using a roadmap designed for modern deployment. The point where most beginners struggle is when they build basic CRUD applications, create, read, update, delete, without investigating how the framework actually operates. Copying and pasting API endpoints from a video creates a sense of progress, but it rarely translates to the engineering skills needed to debug a system you didn't design from the ground up. When an unexpected production issue hits during a live technical interview, that lack of foundational knowledge becomes obvious, and the candidate's technical credibility collapses. If you treat the framework like a black box, you won't be able to fix it when it breaks. Type CRUD in the comments if you found yourself stuck in this cycle. The first step in this updated roadmap involves dedicating 2 to 3 weeks exclusively to mastering foundational Java and the internal mechanics of Spring Core. This diagram shows dependency injection. A central system manages the creation of objects, known as beans, and directly hands them the components they need. This is the Spring container. It configures elements, physically linking them into an operational network. Mastering these mechanics allows you to treat the framework as a logical, controllable tool rather than an unpredictable mystery. A common inefficiency is the habit of jumping between multiple beginner courses without ever reaching the final module of any of them. The protocol for moving forward is to select one high-quality, structured educational resource and complete it in its entirety. Deep focus on a single structured path builds significantly more engineering competency than accumulating fragmented pieces of code from various sources. This discipline is necessary because Spring Boot 4 moved toward a modular internal architecture. As this comparison shows, you no longer pull in a massive generalized package. You must now intentionally select and integrate only the specific functional modules your application requires. Part of that selection process involves virtual threads, a method for handling thousands of simultaneous tasks without the overhead of traditional threading models. These threads are now a baseline expectation in technical interviews for back-end roles. Candidates are now evaluated on their ability to build lightweight, concurrent systems using these specific architectural updates. To demonstrate this competency, stop building dozens of generic starter apps. Focus your portfolio on 3 highly specific projects. The first must be a REST API, featuring secure user authentication and database integration. The second build should be an asynchronous system, utilizing message queues, proving you understand how data flows through enterprise-level services. The third project should be designed to leverage virtual threads, specifically to maximize performance under a high concurrent load. This trio of applications provides proof to an employer that you can execute the type of architecture used in real-world enterprise environments. The final layer of modern development that many candidates ignore is observability. This involves non-negotiable operational skills, implementing structured logging, setting up system monitoring, and using Docker to ensure your deployment is consistent across environments. Employers hire the engineer who proves they can keep an application running and diagnose failures in production, not just the one who can write a controller. In the 2026 job market, engineers are hired for technical bugs. Collecting a wide array of superficial skills is no longer enough to clear a technical screening. Stop passively consuming tutorials and start actively building your technical foundation. If you are committing to this path, type "starting over" in the comments.